everybody, welcome to A Crafter's Story, and thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm doing a flip through Friday today, which is a hashtag that is hosted by Gwen from Gwen the Trash Witch, and I haven't done a flip through Friday in a while, but I thought this one might be kind of fun to show you guys. I have a backstory and it's about me leaving 2 gallons of milk in a hot car for 2 days, and one of the gallons curdled, the plastic burst open because of the pressure from all the curdling, and it went everywhere in the car, everywhere. I cannot tell you how many hours cleaning the car. I went and bought bunches and bunches of these sort of multi-surface cleaner wipes to wipe the seat and the dashboard and everything. But on the silver lining side of it, it did give me an idea for a craft that I've done before. Not this packet, but the other 2 packets. I bought 3 packets. This is the 3rd one. The other 2 packets had this sort of opening, right? When I was finished with the packet, oh my gosh, you guys, and the smell, that sour milk smell, oi, 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 oi. Anyhow, I'd left the windows open and cleaned it. I think it's okay now. But when I was finished with those packets, I just peeled this off. It had all the sticky, peeled it off. And so that is one of them, and took one of these little books, these little tiny little composition books. I then painted it black front and back. I took this little I guess you could call it like a little door, and I glued it onto the front of the composition book. So that now, and then before I glued it on, I put a little bit of silver paint on the inside and a sticker, a word sticker. And I used for this sorry, I'm just reaching for it quickly, the Super Fabri-Tac, because I used other glues and it was just lifting off. This wasn't staying on. So when clips closed there, but I hold on the top and I hold on the bottom, clip open, and then there's a message. And I guess you could also put something here. I'm just thinking about that now. I should really have put something here as well. I still can. So just a little message on the front of your little book. And then I was able to use just basic acrylic paint to paint. I paint a lot, you guys. If anybody has watched me paint, I use these little bottles because of the fine tips. Because of that fine tip, I use those. And if you want to go and look at my latest Twinchie video, and I'll put a link for it at the bottom in the description of this video, you'll see how I paint and with those little bottles. So I thought, I'd paint a little picture on the front, and then I use some spray Mod Podge to seal it in, and I sealed in some of the black on the little book as well, and I sprayed the back because before I sprayed, the black was starting to scuff off, so I will put another layer here and then spray it again. But yeah, so it's kind of cool. So from my absolute stinky disaster with the milk in the car, what was I thinking? Oh my gosh, it was the rudest thing to find in the car. And I was trying to go out to the shops and I couldn't drive, and I had to clean it first. Oi, 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 oi. But on the flip side, on the crafty flip side, this came off the wipes that I used 1,000 of to make this little book. So all's well that ends well. And now I have this cute little book with my secret message on the front. And I just thought, you guys, if you want to try this, if you get, so I don't have one now. I think I might have stupidly thrown it away, but these black ones I like particularly just because of the drama of the black. But any Huggies or any of those other wipes that you get that have these little doors, keep the doors. You can just, it just peels off, literally. There's all this sticky, but it really does peel off the front quite easily. So yeah, there you go. From stinky to fabulous. Thank you so much for sticking around and listening to my disaster story that turned into an art story. If you loved this video, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.